Did you know that you can fully automate the creation and delivery of professional itemized PDF invoices directly from Salesforce? My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. This video is for my Salesforce admins and developers, or if you're part of the billing team looking to streamline your invoice generation and distribution, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set up a Salesforce PDF invoice email using Chargent. We'll create a custom Visualforce email template to automatically generate and email professional invoices. The Salesforce invoice template with opportunity products will be included as line items, alongside account, opportunity, and organization data. We'll also provide sample code for the Salesforce email template to help you get started. First, let's review the required fields and components. To build this functionality, you'll need the following components. We'll need to create 3 fields on the opportunity object: pay link, contact, and invoice number. Next is a customer Visualforce email template. This template formats the PDF invoice, ensuring it looks professional, and it includes opportunity product, account, and organization data. By combining these components, you'll have a fully automated invoice creation and email system, making your billing workflows faster and more efficient. Now, we'll show you how to do it. Step 1, add custom fields. Let's start by creating the required fields. First, let's go to Setup and click on the Object Manager, and then search for Opportunity. Click on the New button on the top right, choose the field type of lookup, and select Contact as the related object. Leave all the default values. For the purpose of this video, we will just click Next until we reach the Related List screen, and click Save and New to start creating the next field. Select URL as the field type, and label it Pay Link. Click Next until we reach the Related List screen, and click Save and New to start creating the next field. Now for the last field, select Auto Number as the type. Label it Invoice Number, and the display format should be invoice followed by 4 zeros, and the starting number should be 1. Click Next until you're done creating the last field. Now you're ready to configure your email template. And before we move to the next step, here's an important tip. Chargent helps reduce accounts receivable challenges in Salesforce by automating and configuring payments. With Chargent Automation, you can save both time and money. Download our checklist linked above or in the description to learn how Chargent can transform your billing workflows. Step 2. Setting up Visualforce email template. Go to Salesforce Setup, search Email, and then select Classic Email Template. Next, create a new template. Then choose Visualforce as the template type. To create your email template, use the sample code provided in the description to structure the template. The invoice will display a body message, and then all you have to do is generate a PDF invoice attachment to include in the email. Step 3. Set up the automation. Now, let's create automation to send the invoice. First, we're going to build a screen flow. For the flow actions, you'll need to produce a Chargent order to automatically generate an order for the opportunity. Create a payment request and ensure the Send Payment Request field is set to false to avoid auto-emailing. Update the opportunity by populating the payment link field with the Chargent Payment Request link. Next, add a Send Email action. Use the template ID from the Visualforce email template to send the PDF invoice. Finally, activate the flow once everything is complete. To help speed up the process, I have included a link to an unmanaged package that provides you with a flow template for this automation. Step 4. Create an action button and add it to the page layout. Go to Setup and click on the Object Manager and search for Opportunity. Then on the left panel, select Buttons, Links, and Actions. On the top right, click on New Action. For action type, select Flow. Under the flow, select Opportunity Send Invoice, and for the label, use Send Invoice. On the left panel, click Page Layout and select one to edit. Under the Tool panel, select Mobile and Lightning to find the new button, Send Invoice. Click and drag it to the section on the page layout, and then click Save. Step 5. Testing the process. Now, let's test and verify that it works as expected. First, create an opportunity with products and make sure all fields are populated. Ensure the Chargent order and payment requests are created correctly. Verify that the pay link field is updated on the opportunity. Lastly, confirm that the email with the attached PDF invoice is sent successfully, showing all the expected details and the Pay Now link. With Chargent, you can effortlessly automate PDF invoice generation and emailing and create streamlined billing processes. Don't forget to download the sample code, install the package, and try Chargent with our ready-to-test org to see these features in action. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce Payments simple. Make sure to download the checklist via the link in the description. For more helpful tips, watch this next video here. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.